First, log into NIG supercomputer system and install Miniconda, which is a minimal package of Conda software management system. By installing Miniconda, you can easily install various programs using the Conda command. After that, we will install analytical tools using Miniconda. Many of bioinformatics tools are available from Bioconda, an additional channel for Conda. Okay, let's log into the supercomputer. Now, I am at the gateway node of the supercomputer system. Running program is not allowed here, so don't forget to execute qlogin command. Okay, let's visit the Miniconda official website and find the Linux installers. And right-click here and copy the link. Go back to the terminal and download the installer by curl command with all options. Okay, now I have successfully downloaded the installer and here. And next, run this installer using sh command. And press enter to continue. And now the license is displayed. Press enter to proceed. And type yes to accept the license. You can use the default setting for the install location. So just press enter. Now it's installing software. To initialize Conda, type yes. And then press enter. Okay. You need to log in again to activate Miniconda. So exit and qlogin again. You can see word base here. This shows installation was successful. Next, let's install analytical tools using Conda command. First, I will install fastqc, which is a check tool for the read files. To install this, type conda install with C option to enable download from Bioconda, and tool name fastqc. Type Y to proceed. Well, it's done. Type fastqc to confirm it is properly installed. The help message is shown. Now I have successfully installed fastqc. Okay, and let's install other programs. You can install multiple programs at the same time. Here, I have added Y option to see confirmation. First P is a program to remove adapter sequences and filter low quality reads. And Scikit is a very useful tool, a utility tool to manipulate sequence files. And Skisser is a genome assembler. Okay, all the programs are installed properly.